Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung A51. Start by going into Play Store on both smartphones. Then tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Then you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, click on Receive on A51 and Send on Samsung device. Then select all of those dots and just send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only tap on Photos category, select one of the photos on my device, like that one, and tap on Send. Then just got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can input this key 992597 and just receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it because it's faster, tap on the scanning icon on A51, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Then we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. If you want to check it out just to be sure, you can always go into My Files app, select in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!